Hi, I'm Hugo Madeira, I'm a dentist, and in this short video I will share one of the great steps of dental medicine and how you and your patients can benefit from it. In a digital world, this is the big deal for the progress and evolution in our area. The question here is, why digital? Why should we all be interested by this new digital workflow? There are several stages in adopting technology and innovation. By now, technology is related with precision, speed, and simplified work. Did you know that digital dentistry is used by about 34% of clinicians? And this value is growing. And why? Because it works and it makes improvements in our daily work. But first, let's start by explaining the digital workflow from a clinical and lab point of view. The entire digital process begins by using intraoral scanner that allows to store and use the patient information by CAD/CAM technology. With this information you can design, mill and place restorations in a single visit. This is a huge advantage in terms of time and simplicity. And there are several studies on the benefit about digital workflow, but I want to highlight the ones by Rodenberger that is related to patient comfort, treatment time and high quality and precision. Also, the lab work steps are simplified with the digital workflow. The need for corrections by dentists, for example, adjustments, polishing, can be minimized or even removed. Therefore, it is important that we all realize the major impact that the digital transformation is having in dentistry, and that affects our way of treating patients. But at what point we are? How many of you are in transition? I know that it is not easy to change our techniques and grab the digital from one day to the next. There is a learning curve. So what you need to transform in your practice and go digital? When a case is indicated for this, what do you need now? First of all, we need a good impression that allows us to study the patient. Here we can, for example, access the emerge profile, design crowns and plan implants. There are many tools that really help us to get a better, more effective and faster. With an intraoral scanner we can have less distortion and more details, with more precision than with a conventional impression. After this comes the lab part, and here we can follow several paths. If we have a lab in our clinic, everything is much easier because communication becomes faster and simpler. In this case we can be more intimate in planning our rehabilitation or surgical guide, always having in mind that we work in a multidisciplinary team. On the other hand, if we don't have an internal lab, we always have the opportunity to send our files to an outside technician and request what we need. This is amazing, right? If you want to improve your way of working, in every step of the way, the most important thing is the patient experience in our clinic. When I began to use this digital approach, I noticed that patients started to feel more comfortable, and not only because the impression, but because this allows us to reduce the time and the number of appointments. And if we want to, we can place the rehabilitation in the same day. We have more options, and patients notice that. If we have more treatments available, we will increase our patient acceptance, have less need of materials, and increase in profit, which will be better in time and financially. How does the digital workflow reduce costs? And how can you gain efficiency and deliver at the same time with high quality? In a conventional approach, as you know, you have to take preliminary impressions so you can study your case. After this, we see if we need to diagnostic waxing or if we can go for a surgical plan, depending on the case you are dealing with. After the implants are placed or the teeth prepared, a final impression is needed, and then the lab will do the prosthetics. But anyway, in any of the steps you will add the possibility of errors and distortion. Sometimes you waste your time because you need to repeat and repeat, and in the end you need to correct some things like contact points or cervical limits. If instead of this we use digital process, we take an intraoral scanning so we can plan a surgical guide or a DST, and we encourage our patients to accept the treatment. So, after defining the treatment and take the intraoral scanner, we receive the files in the lab, here. And then we can perform all virtual planning so that we can achieve ideal aesthetics and functional parameters. So, if you have a case of implants, what do? You have to virtually place an implant and you can evaluate from the beginning the bone density, the implant relationship with the prosthesis, soft tissues and the emergency profile. So, you can place the implant, plan the crown and do the surgery all in one day. And for prosthetics on teeth, we can prepare and manufacture the crown on the same day as well. The crown design software is easy to use, so we can make sure that the rehab meets the clinical criteria and the patient expectations. Okay, but what is necessary when we have a real case? What do? Let's now see all the digital clinical case.
Hello everyone, I'm Diana and I'm a dentist too, and now I will show you our clinical case that was all digital. Here we have, as you can see, our patient that came to our clinic and said that she used a removable prosthesis and was not satisfied with her smile, and so she was interested in implant placement. At the first clinical observation, we evaluate the condition of the remaining teeth, and even in the pictures you can see that it were periodontal and functionally compromised. So we evaluate the radiographs and saw that there was bone available to place 5 implants to support a complete prosthesis that was fixed, and do the sinus lift to put 1 more implant 6 months after the surgery. And now, what should we do? We take the digital impressions not only to place virtually the implants, but to relate it to its rehabilitation. So the surgical software allowed me to a 3-dimensional evaluation and planning. And if you think this is difficult, it's not at all, because we have tools that are easy and simple and that help us a lot. With this scan we plan all the implants, and with surgical guide that allow a precise position of the placement of the implants, we did a less invasive surgery that improved the emergence profile and that allowed us a contour of the soft tissues without the need of a flap. Here it was possible to place a prosthesis without prosthetic gingiva, which is great because with a natural gingiva we create a more natural smile. Creating an aesthetic as natural as possible because we can model the soft tissues properly and immediately. The patient was more comfortable, she didn't refer so much pain, and more important, she was really happy with her new smile.
So, what you can take from this video? The digital process allows you a reduction of clinical and lab time, waste of material, as well as increased return on your initial investment in short time. With these tools, we can attract new patients and give an exclusive experience.